Hello traders, this is going to be a short recap video for DAX for January 16th. In front of us is the updated chart that was posted before the open, and as you can see, before the open, market started to climb to test this main resistance zone again. So in my morning notes I just repeated what the main resistance and support zones are. We are still in this range. This is the 6th consecutive day of being inside this range. And I also said that below this main resistance we have previous cash close and this 865 to 880 zone where buyers can be active on the first test. And basically that was our ticket for good trade. This here, now this is the start of the future session at 1:15. This is the open here, and after the open, market starts to go down from the pre-market high, which is, as you can see, very close to the main resistance zone. And once it tagged this zone where I said market that buyers can be active on the first test, that is our entry for long. You can also draw fib retracement from this here, noticing that 61.8 is here also, but zone as itself is good enough reason for us to go long or short. For this is the zone for taking a long trade, and because the zone was tested once and it had a pullback, now we can move to the back end of the zone, searching for confluence with pre-market low. So this here was our entry, and even in the middle of the zone for, let's say, 870, 875, there was enough room to the upside, enough potential for like a 2-hour trade to just bank when you see 40-50 points of profit using a 20 points stop. As I said before, in this range we are neutral. As you can see now, today market didn't even test. Regular trading hours is over. This is 5:30. Market didn't really test main resistance zone at all. It did test second time this zone, and you could enter here long again, looking for the market as in this first trade to grab 40-50 points, or for market to go to the pre-market high, or even to test this this zone again. But as I said many times, first test of these zones that are in the middle of the range are carried the higher odds of success. About the previous cash close, pre-market low, pre-market high, you have additional video that I made today, and it is already published. It's called Trading Stock Market Indices, Importance of Cash Index Close. In this video here I'm talking about cash close, about pre-market low, high, about regular trading hours and what kind of sessions we have, what kind of derivatives we have, and so on. So for this, for today, opportunities, zone-based opportunities, this was the opportunity for go long, to bank like 40-50 points to close that, and then again you could try shorting market here from the pre-market high. As you can see, it was 2 times tested, now 3rd time, 4th time, markets keep going down from it, and we have a really small range today, less than 100 points, very small range today. As you can see, 6th, better here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6th day that we are trading here, while the US markets were advancing and actually breaking their range, and they all are reconnected with their 50, daily moving 50. This is S&P, Nasdaq went above, Russell went slightly above today. We shall see about the close. At that smaller time frames, it's even more visible. This is the S&P, it went above its resistance, I'm sorry. Let's make it on a 15-minute chart to see this better. This is S&P. Nasdaq went above also. Look, a school book retest of the broken resistance that acted as support. It was yesterday afternoon. As Nasdaq, and at the end Russell also arranged it's broken to the upside, but now they are hitting better resistances, and we shall see about that. So DAX really the weakest one, and not so many opportunities today, but just note that you don't have to catch every move. It was good enough just to catch this long, bank like 40-50 points, and you could even finish the day. I didn't really trade this chop, and I used this time for these additional videos and for reading and to be with my family. Okay, that is it for this DAX recap video. I wish you good trading and a good day.